Okay, I'm going to try these out. I'm going to get another piece of paper to do so. So g of 3, let me start with that. Well, that's going to be 5 plus 2 times 3. Okay, so this is just an order of operations problem that equals 5 plus 2 times 3 is 6, and then 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, it's very important that when you're working down the page that you copy the other stuff. So I took 2 times 3 was 6, but then I recopied the 5 plus part. And that's really important because if you are leaving stuff off from line to line, you will forget something, you will miss a negative sign, or you'll just exclude a number. So it's really important to write that out. And if you make mistakes because you were too lazy to write it out, I will not feel terribly bad for you, although I will encourage you to do what I asked. And then hopefully you will, and then hopefully you will have great success. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is plug in 2x. And so here I have 5 plus 2 times 2x. And 2 times 2x, well 2 times 2 is 4. So this is just going to be 5 plus 4x. And that's it. After here I can't combine any like terms. The 5 and the 4x are not alike, so I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to do anything with that. The last one, g of x plus 1 okay, g of x plus 1, well what does that give me? 5 plus 2 times, in parentheses, x plus 1. Now I have a couple of steps here. First thing I need to do is use the distributive property because the x and the 1 I cannot add together. I can't do anything with that, but I can take 2 times both of those, and we did that last week. So let me see here. 5 plus 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? And here I'm not quite done yet because there are some like terms that I can combine now. The 5 and the 2 give me 7. So I'm going to call that 7 plus 2x. And that should be my final answer there. And I didn't really go over that. I'm just trying to fish a little bit, see what you know. So if you weren't totally sure about that, I hope that helped. Let me see here. Your assignment, yes, page 13. There's going to be a little more here than usual, but I think you'll be fine. 1 through 11, and those are just defining, telling me whether or not they're functions. And then 15 through 25 odd. And then on page 14, 1 through 7, again, just telling me if they're functions or not. And then 9 through 15 odd. So a good chunk there, but hopefully you'll be able to make good time and fly through it. Let me scooch that up just a little bit so you can see better. And catch you later.